other three types of taxes, which is the withholding tax. The withholding have about 5 or 6 components, and then the excise tax and the sales tax are all due 15th of the next month throughout the year. And we are asking the taxpayers to ensure that they comply by filing their return on the 15th of the next month to avoid the approval of penalties. We could see that majority of the taxpayers have not been able to comply timely, and this has resulted to accumulation of arrears. This has been resulted to a lot of penalties, penalties of late payment, penalties of the late filing of the return, penalties of interest. This has been accruing over time, and you would see from time to time the taxpayers are coming to us asking for the waiver of the same. We will no longer be waiving unless there is a valid reason that is compelling this office to do the waivers. So we are asking you that you do the timely tax payment. The same Taxation Act 2009, section number 46, 43 and 46 are two specifics. If you do not pay the taxes on time, we will assess you and we will enforce collections. There are a number of activities we have already embarked on. These have never been happening, but we have already started. This is within the law. We will be able to do the assessment. We give you a number of notices. If you fail to comply with what we have assessed, we will enforce the collection. Enforced collections are of two ways. We can either detain the money you have in the account, and we have done this to a number of taxpayers already. We will not be able here in this briefing to mention the details of those taxpayers, but that is what is happening already. We have blocked, we have put a cap into that account. We have locked those accounts. We have put a link, and we have asked the banks to transfer the same to the Revenue Authority account, the Bank of South Sudan, either in the Bank of South Sudan or at the commercial banks. You will be able to do this. If a taxpayer is lacking money in those accounts, the next thing we are moving on, and there are two already, maybe the public will be informed maybe in the next few days, we are seizing the properties of those taxpayers and we will put them on a public auctions. So we do not want it to get into that situation. It is better you comply now.